I'm at the place called Gatherings at Tulsa, Oklahoma, and this place is famous for the wild bushes and also for the wildflowers. You can see I have this wildflower in my hand. In my book, Princess of the Tide, I wrote a poem. Most of the beautiful flowers bloom in the wild, and most of the gifted souls come from the ordinary, and diamond can be only found in the coal. So never underestimate or ignore or neglect anyone in this world. Everyone, every soul is pure and gifted, and you can learn from anyone. And the simple people are the greatest philosophers, the greatest leaders, the greatest souls in this world. So never, never, never underestimate or ignore anyone, any soul in this world. Always respect everyone, love everyone, learn from the simple people, because they have the highest, the greatest wisdom you can ever, ever, ever have. See, there are more wildflowers. I wish I could have known the names. Look at this flower, see? So beautiful, yellow. I don't know the name of this one, but I speak another language. It's called the sweetest language in the world, Bengali. And in Bengali they call it kash flowers. I wish I could have known the English name. I think these are also one kind of the daisies, the pink ones. Wow. Simple, but still gorgeous. Simple, but still magnificent. Unparalleled beauty. Journey of the Spirit, Miss Farah M. Saddha. Gathering at the Tulsa, Oklahoma. Really, really, really nice wildflowers, wild view. And I can see a lake here also. Wow. Look at the water. This is really simply amazing. Beautiful. I don't know what kind. This looks like the bamboo. More. I would always say nature, like your mother is your mother, and nature is your real mother. Just like mother supports you unconditionally, the unconditional love, the food, the shadow, the gifts, the beauty. You receive everything from this nature. So protect nature, love nature, be close to nature. There is nothing in this world can give you so much peace, so much harmony, and that's only nature. Everyone should be the lover of nature. Beautiful, breathtaking. Love this place. It's worth to come here. $1 million views. Sometimes I remember that I used to go to a garden in the hometown I actually I grew up. It's named Baldha Garden, and the founder of that garden, it was like around end of 18th century. He used to love nature, and that garden is still there, and if you go there you will find all the plants he collected from around the world. Some of the flowers we don't even know the name. They're scientists, they're still trying to discover those origin of these plants, that how did he get those so many plants from Europe, from Spain, because he used to travel a lot. And this is something that we should all have, that compassion to love nature and serve nature through nature. This is very important. If we have more and more gardens like those, more and more places like this world, this planet Earth will never have any problems, will never have any climate issues, will never have the climate change impacts, and it will be a healthy, happier world. So again, nature, flowers are the heart, soul of this Mother Earth. Preserve it, love it, share it, enjoy it with your compassion and love. Lover of music, art and literature, with all her phases my joy is forever. Nature is just not only the source of beauty, but this is the best healing. You see this sand? This can heal you. This can take your toxicity from your body. And the water, that's gonna calm you. And then the beautiful bushes, they will give you the peace in your mind, which you won't be able to get it from the modern medicine, the modern technology. Nothing compared to nature. Nature is nature, just like love is love. There is nothing in this world compared to nature. And scientists are finding that this is the biggest medicine to cure your depression, to cure your mental health. The more you are gonna be close to nature, Mother Nature, the more you are gonna be happy, mentally strong and intelligent. So protect this Mother Nature. Not only just you heal it from harm, also heal nature by taking care, by cleaning the water, preserve the water, by cleaning the gardens, planting more and more plants, trees, herbs, and then you'll see how happy, healthy and wise you are. This is Tulsa, Oklahoma gatherings. Deers on my way. It's so beautiful. Complete nature in Oklahoma. I am at the Foodie International Market in Tulsa. It's actually a Turkish store, Arabic store you can say. I'm sure all of you know about the Turkish delicacy, which is the Turkish sweets, the Turkish delights. These are so good, delicious, and popular. And there are some more things here, like the Turkish cookies. And I want to show you something very special, which I found. It's there are like lots of different types of teas, like it's basil, purple basil teas, then flower teas. These are the flower teas. But the most important is this one. This is a flower tea called linden flowers. And I have to tell you a history of these linden flowers. This is the flower called the Mariam flower, the Mother Mariam flower, where she sat, when she was during her pregnancy. And this is this holy tree, the Mariam tree, and the flower made out of this tree. It's very good for women to deliver their baby. It's good for your health, good for your skin. It's a holy plant, Mother Mariam, Mary Mariam, and that's that tea. It's very rare, and I just discovered this tea in this Turkey store in Tulsa, Foodie International Market. You are more than welcome to come here and explore it. Well, just wanted to share, like, while I was in the casino, the Hard Rock Casino in Tulsa, there is this concert by Neil Hangman, and he was singing like someone's fame and someone's love and someone's money. And I just want to say, like, we all need to want just one thing, is gratitude, appreciation of anything we have, simple, big, no matter what. Just one word, gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm leaving Oklahoma and heading towards my new destination. There was lots of fun, great adventure, good memories, good spirits, wisdoms, good friendships, and above all, lots of blessings. So, catch you up with my next destination. Until then, journey of the spirit is Farah M, saddha. Bye-bye, Tulsa, Oklahoma right now. Just heading towards my new destination. Such a great adventure, good memories, good spirits, wisdom, great time, good friends, and above all, lots of blessings. Alright, so this is the journey of the spirit. It's Farah M, saddha.